Nvidia reports record-breaking Q4 and Fiscal Year 2026 financial results. Nvidia Corporation announced remarkable financial results for its fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2026, underscoring its dominant position in the AI and accelerated computing markets. The company delivered record revenue and profitability, driven primarily by explosive growth in its data center segment and strong demand for its AI-accelerated computing platforms. Chart with upward trend record quarterly and annual revenue. For the quarter ended January 25, 2026, Nvidia reported a record quarterly revenue of $68.1 billion, marking a 20% increase from the previous quarter and a 73% jump year-over-year. For the full fiscal year 2026, revenue reached $215.9 billion, up 65% compared to the prior year. Data center revenue, a key driver of Nvidia's growth, reached $62.3 billion in the quarter, up 75% year-over-year and 22% sequentially, reflecting the ongoing surge in AI and cloud computing demand. Money bag profitability and margins. Nvidia maintained strong profitability with GAAP gross margins of 75% and non-GAAP gross margins of 75.2% for the quarter. Earnings per diluted share came in at $1.76, GAAP, and $1.62, non-GAAP. For the fiscal year, diluted EPS was $4.90, GAAP, and $4.77, non-GAAP. Bar chart segment highlights beyond data center. Although the data center business continues to dominate, other segments also contributed to Nvidia's overall performance. Gaming revenue showed healthy performance with continued demand for Nvidia's latest Blackwell-based GPUs. Professional visualization and AI PC segments saw strong year-over-year growth, propelled by advanced GPU and AI throughput capabilities. Automotive and robotics revenue continued to rise modestly, supported by adoption of NVIDIA Drive and related AI-enabled platforms. RobotFace CEO commentary: AI demand driving growth. NVIDIA's founder and CEO, Jensen Huang, emphasized that computing demand is growing exponentially. The agentic AI inflection point has arrived. He highlighted how enterprise adoption of accelerated computing and AI workloads is fueling NVIDIA's growth trajectory. Crystal ball outlook for fiscal 2027. Looking ahead, NVIDIA provided guidance for the first quarter of fiscal 2027, expecting revenue of approximately $78 billion, with gross margins projected near 75%. The outlook assumes no revenue contribution from data center compute in China due to export restrictions. Pushpin summary of key financial metrics. Metric Q4 FY 2026 revenue $68.1 billion, $215.9 billion. Data center revenue $62.3 billion. GAAP gross margin 75.0%, 71.1%. Diluted EPS, GAAP, $1.76, $4.90. Round pushpin. Nvidia's performance reaffirms its role as one of the most valuable and strategically significant companies in the tech sector, especially as AI continues to reshape global computing infrastructure.